for cut a thin stem from a healthy nectarine tree from previous year's growth. Wrap it in wet paper and seal in a plastic bag while you carry it to your home and prepare for other things. Cut a stem into 6 to 8 inch long pencil thick cuttings. Use a mixture of potting mix and river sand as a rooting medium. Take a small pot with many drainage holes and fill it with soil. Wet the soil thoroughly. Place the pot in shade for half an hour to drain excess water. Apply rooting hormone or aloe vera gel on the cutting to speed up rooting. This is not essential. Make a hole in the soil and insert the cutting about 2 inch deep. Do not push. You can plant more than one cuttings in the same pot. Enclose the pot in a polythene bag to create high humidity around the cuttings. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. Open the bag every 2 weeks and add a few drops of water in the soil or mist the cuttings. Close the bag again. Cuttings will root in a few weeks and new leaves will grow. Slightly tug the cuttings. If they offer resistance, it means roots have started to grow. Otherwise, no roots yet. Open the bag and expose the cuttings in morning sun for 2 weeks. Then transplant the cuttings in free draining soil in a pot or ground. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos.